Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be telling you more about the use of the lipopeptides, Fengycin and Iturin A as post-harvest fungicide on pome fruit. Post-harvest decay caused by pathogens like penicillium and botrytis are a major problem in South Africa and can lead to economic losses. We therefore need to control pathogens like penicillium expansum causing blue mold and botrytis cinerea causing grey mold. Currently, the norm is to use synthetic chemicals or fungicides to treat these pathogens, but pathogens become resistant to fungicides and consumers want fruit with less chemicals on it. Therefore, as Dr. Pott mentioned, we have been exploring with a biological control agent, the Bacillus amyloliquefaciens, and we used the cyclolipopeptides, Fengycin and Iturin as a control. The graphs are the results for the botrytis cinerea on Packham pears, and the first column shows you the untreated control, where we inoculated the pears with about 100,000 spores per milliliter. We treated it with fluorohexanol as the control currently used in the industry, and then we had different concentrations of the CLPs, a 0.25 times that produced by the process engineering department, and then we moved up to a 10 times concentration containing about 2.79 grams per liter Fengycin and 0.625 grams per liter Iturin A. When we look at the 10 times concentration, there is a bit of an inhibitory effect if you compare it to the untreated control. On average, there's a 32% reduction in lesion diameter compared to the untreated control for the botrytis on pears. The same graph for the penicillium on golden delicious apples. Again, we have untreated control where we infected the fruit with 100,000 spores per milliliter, treated it with fluorohexanol to see what the industry currently get, and then with different concentrations moving up to the 10 times. The lesion diameter for the untreated control on apples was about 42 millimeters, and as you can see, the fluorohexanol had a very good effect on reducing the lesion diameter, and up again to the 10 times, also containing 2.79 grams per liter Fengycin and 0.625 grams per liter Iturin A. We do have a bit of an inhibitory effect, but it's only 26% and a bit less than that of the pears. In conclusion, we can see that the CLPs do have an inhibitory effect, but it's not as effective or with the same efficacy as fluorohexanol, and therefore future studies should rather focus on higher concentrations of CLP, especially the Iturin A, as it has been shown that Iturin has a better inhibitory effect of the pathogens. Thank you.